body centered. Body centered unit cell. So what is the main criteria for body centered unit cell? Atom should be corner, that is must and should for everyone, every unit cell. And one more thing, inside the body also. Inside the body. So 8 atoms, 8 corners. Inside the unit cell, 1/8 of it comes. So one atom, when we consider corner, completely inside the body. So one more atom. So total rank is 2. I'm writing here. This all we discussed with our previous classes. So rank is 2. And here also volume occupied, edge length is A. So volume is A cube. Same that of previous one, edge length A. So volume is equal to A cube. Then volume of the atoms, spherical one, is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. The relation between A and R in case of body centered unit cell, R equal to √3/4A. R equal to √3/4A, or else we can write it as A equal to 4R/√3. Both are equal. So we got our rank, volume, volume of the unit cell, volume of atom. So we can easily calculate our packing fraction. Volume occupied by atoms. Volume occupied by atoms by volume of unit cell. But how many atoms are present in here? How many atoms are present in body centered unit cell? Rank is 2. So 2 atoms per unit cell. So 2 into, what is the volume of atom? 4/3 pi r cube. So 2 into 4/3 pi r cube by volume of unit cell is A cube. A cube. So simply by substituting the value of either R or A, what happens? 8/3. So, sorry, pi R cube by A value is 4R/√3 whole cube. We need to rearrange the everything. So 4, 4, 16, 16, 16, 4, so 64. 64 R cube by 3√3. So by rearranging everything, what we'll get? 8 pi R cube by 'r cube will get cancelled. Next, 8 8 is 64. So by rearranging everything and it goes into numerator, we'll get √3/8 pi. √3/8 pi. Substitute this pi value here. Okay, I'm writing the next step also here. Pi by, here 1/3 it comes. Pi by 8/3√3. So 3√3 goes up here. So 1/3 pi into 3√3/8. So this 3 will get cancelled. Then we will get root 3 by 8 pi. And substituting the value of pi here, root 3 by 8 into 3.14, we'll get approximately 0.68. This is 0.68. This is our packing fraction. So obviously packing efficiency, this is packing fraction. So packing efficiency is equal to this into 100%. So that is 68%. So next step is void. How much void is present? So how much space left? That is equal to 100 minus 68%. So that is equal to 10 minus 8 to 32%. 9 minus 6, 3. Void left in case of body-centered unit cell is 32%. This is about body-centered unit cell.